Are you trying to speak fluently in English but still struggling to find the right words? Don't worry, one single habit can make you fluent in English, which is listening. Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'll show you how listening to English every day can boost your vocabulary and improve your pronunciation, and how can it help you to speak confidently in English. So try to watch this video till the end, and definitely I will tell you some simple techniques and how you can listen to the English every single day without skipping one single day. Okay, try to watch this video till the end. You are going to know some beautiful points, and these tips can help you to listen to English every single day. Okay. Yes, the first point is start with simple content. See, if you are at the beginner level, you have to start watching videos or podcast, whatever you listen, just to start with a simple content. Right? At the starting stages, if you choose to listen or if you choose to watch some complicated movies which you don't even understand at least one single word what they are speaking about, you cannot improve your English fluency and you cannot able to get the pronunciation what they are speaking about, right? So it will become very hard to you. Just try to better choose simple content to listen. Like I will give you some examples like children stories, beginner podcast, or watch videos with subtitles, right? So then you can easily understand, and by watching subtitles also, your mind will process English very naturally, and you can able to know the pronunciation, and it will help you to write the spellings of the words also, right? So don't ignore this listening, right? And listening can help you make changes in your English fluency, right? So don't ignore this. You have to start with the simple. Okay, I hope you got my point. And you can ask what to listen, right? As I said, try to listen. If you are at the beginner, try to listen some children's stories, beginner podcast, or watch videos with the subtitles, right? So if you watch them at the starting days, you will not able to understand everything what they're speaking about. But if you keep on watching them, definitely you can improve your listening skill and you can able to understand everything what they are speaking in English. So you have to make the consistency and you have to make it as your habit. Listening will play a crucial role in getting a fluency in English, right? So if you don't even listen, how can you able to know the pronunciation of words or phrases, right? So it will be very new to you, right? The better just you should listen more and more. The second point is listen daily. As I said, make it as your habit, right? At least listen to every English every single day, at least 10 to 20 minutes. If you can make it as your habit, you are going to see tremendous results in order to learn English, in order to get the fluency in English, right? So don't ignore this. See, listening is also very important, man. If I ask you, how did you learn your native language? Only because of listening at your surroundings, right? So your parents and your siblings or your neighbors, what they have spoken, you keep listening to them, right? You are keep listening to them. So that is the only reason you could shadow them, and you could find the pronunciation. Okay, this is how we have to speak. This is how we have to get the pronunciation in English, right? So you could know about that. So in the same way, you have to apply the same rule in order to learn English, right? So just try to follow this technique. The third point is watch videos with subtitles first, right? So watching videos with using the subtitles can really help you to know the spelling of the each and every single word, and you can easily understand the meaning of every single word what they are speaking about. Right? If you don't use subtitles in your videos, and if you are at the starting this, there are so many chances to get confused your mind, right? So I hope you got my point, and you cannot understand every single word what they are speaking, and there are so many chances to confuse, right? So the better just try to use subtitles in your videos, and over the time and after you are getting comfortable watching videos, and if you are understanding everything in English, just you can remove them also. But if you are at the beginner level, you have to use subtitles in your videos. and it can really improve your listening skill and can really help you to understand everything, right? And over the time you can improve your fluency also, right? So watching videos with subtitles is a very beautiful technique that you have to follow. Right? Many of the people are not following this and they are ignoring it completely. So subtitles can really help you, right? If you ignore it, there are so many chances, and this is the one of the tool you have to choose. The fourth point is repeat and shadow. Right? So whatever you listen in movies or podcasts or videos, just try to repeat them aloud, right? So then you can easily process English and your mind will help you to process English very naturally, right? So repeating, and we call it as a shadow technique. So if you can follow this, definitely you can see the better results over the time. Not instantly, but in a long term, definitely you can improve your fluency in English by listening, right? So that is the reason so many people are saying like listening will plays a crucial role in order to get the fluency in English. Okay, try to follow this shadowing technique. So, how does it work? Like, so whatever you listen to the native speakers, or whatever you listen to the characters in the movies or videos, whatever, just try to repeat these sentences what they have spoken aloud, right? So then you will really understand, and then you keep get attached with the language, right? So it will help you to get attached with the language also. So that is the reason, and you will not feel very uncomfortable whenever you are speaking with someone else also, because you already gave some practical. You have already got some practical experience by shadowing these techniques, and your mind will habitize very naturally, right? So try to follow this shadowing technique. Definitely, it can really help you to understand everything. And the fifth point is choose topics whatever you love, right? So choose topics which you love, right? So like as I want to give examples like motivation, tech, and self-help videos, or some kind of growth videos will be there on YouTube, right? Try to choose videos which you love and watch them, right? So without having interest, it's better watch videos which you are loving more, right? So it can really boost your confidence, and it can really help you to get more engaged with the language, right? So I hope you got my point. Just try to pick some content and pick some topics, right? Which you most regularly follow, and which you uh, regularly follow for some kind of things like, as I said, motivation kind of these things will be there, right? So just try to follow them, try to watch them, and repeat those sentences. The sixth point is pause and note. Right, as I said in my previous point, just whatever you are listening to the English video, just if you don't understand the meaning of the word, try to write, try to note that word in your notes, and by the end of the video, just try to know the meaning of these words and try to use then in them in your regular conversations, right? So then you can easily improve your vocabulary and improve your pronunciation skills by following this technique, right? So I hope you got my point. And if you don't write those words, and there are so many possibilities to forget them, and you cannot repeat them in your real life conversations, and you cannot use them while having conversation with some other person, right? So whatever the words you are getting confused, and whatever the words you are not able to understand the meaning, just try to note them in words, in notes, and try to know the meaning of them and try to use them, right? So it will definitely help you to be connected with the language. And the last point, the final point, which is follow the native speakers. Try to follow their tone, and try to copy their rhythm, how they are speaking, how they are connecting every single word with another word, right? So how they are making their conversation with simple, very naturally, how they can able to speak like that, right? So just try to copy them, try to follow them, but try to observe their English, how they are speaking about, right? How they are connecting every single word, how they are using sentences, how they are having their conversation in a very simple tone. And so most of the English speakers, they try to have their conversation in simple, because uh, every single person need to understand their conversation, what they are speaking about. So that is the reason they have very simple conversation. So I hope you got my point. And if you really want to improve your English fluency, listening is the most important, as I said in the beginning of this video. So we have to follow these simple techniques in order to listen to English every single day for 20 to 30 minutes. Right? So listening to English videos or movies at least 20 to 30 minutes every single day can really help you and can really make a big difference in order to get the fluency in English. This is all about this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop speaking. Okay.